Hello and warmly welcome, great minds. I trust we are doing amazing. Right here, we are going to look at how to register MTN AFA in 2026. So we are going to access this particular website, afaregistration.com. afaregistration.com. I will leave it at the description of this particular video. Then you would be able to access the website. So once you come here, you are going to see the login page right here. If you are an existing user, you are going to tap on enter your email address and your password. But if you are a new user, then you would have to tap on create one. So you fill in with your name, your username, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Then you should be able to create an account. Right after successful account creation, you are going to log in with your login details, so your email and your password. All right, so I'm also tapping on sign in to log into my account. So this is going to be your account dashboard, and here you are going to track your spending, your wallet balance, and your total registration. There are other tabs over here of which we are going to talk about. Okay, so the very first one is the new registration, the manage wallet, the top up, the view add others, the new registration. So the four simple steps. So the register of our wallet, others, and profile. Okay, so we will talk about all these tabs in this particular video. So let's tap on this particular three lines over here to access the menu bar, and there you will see the wallet, register of our orders, and profile. So the very first thing we are going to is the wallet. So here you manage your funding, request, and review wallet activities. Okay, so you are going to see your username over here, and whenever you are making payment through the Momo system, you have to use your username as a reference. Okay, so this is the name, the number, and the name, and any of these can be used as a reference. Once payment is made, you tap on notify via WhatsApp, and the amount should be credited. So the minimum top up is 20 Ghana cedis, and you can submit your top up request over here, and it should be approved once payment is confirmed. So you enter the amount sent, the payer number, the reference, and the note, and it should be sent. Okay, all right, so we are going to the next tab, and that is register AFA. This is the important part of this particular video, and here you should follow closely. So the very first thing I'm going to talk about is the fee. The cost per registration is 7 cedis, and it takes within 4 to 8 hours to get it registered. When system is fast, it should be less than that. It should take at least an hour to get it done, but we are talking about work, and it should take 4 to 8 hours to get it done. All right, so there are requirements over here. You tap on requirement, and you should see applicant must be at least 18 years old, and you must submit a valid Ghana card ID, and also information must also match the ID provided. Okay, so the processing time, the amount, and make sure the image you are going to submit is clear and readable. With time, we are not sure, maybe, so you have to submit an ID image that is clear and readable. All right, so let's get to the package. You can do more reading over here, and this is the registration process. So you enter the name, the full name, the phone number, Ghana card as the ID, Ghana card number, the location, the date of birth. Once you tap on it, you should be able to choose the date of birth, the occupation. Then you upload the front image of your Ghana card over here, and the amount over here is 7 cities. All right, so that is it. Let's say you would want to access your alpha orders. You can simply tap on open alpha orders, or you come here, then you choose orders, and you should be able to access your orders from here. You can also access your top up history from here. And the last thing we are going to talk about is your profile, where you manage your profile. So you can edit your profile from here and also manage your profile from here. Thank you very much for following this particular tutorial. I'm out. See you next time.